Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. I just got a package in the mail. Duncan thinks every package I have is his. It is not true. So, just wanted to show it to you guys. I probably won't really review it because it is so hot and so smoky. Someday when I grow up, I'll have air conditioning. What's in there, Duncan? Okay, he's gone now. He just wants packaging. So this is the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil gift set. So let's see. So this has, oh look, you can see how fat I am. Fucking awesome. So this has Take Me Back to Brazil. Oh, it's all stuck in there. They got stuck on the bottom. I don't like that. The Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Which is, I had this before, but I got it again because it came with this set. So this is, these are all mattes. So it's 35 colors. Those are the matte ones. And then also the Rio edition. Come on. They glued it. I'm happy they glued it in there, but there it is. And this is the Take Me Back to Brazil Rio edition. So these are going to be 35 shimmers. Oh, and it's got the rays on the top, so that's pretty nice. And then here's the shimmers. So you can, oh, glitter. These are glitter. Even the black's got a little glitter in it. So this is pretty dope. I can't wait to try it. And then it also came with 6 new colors of glitter in here. They're little the BH Cosmetics glitter. Let me cut this one. Yep, here's one glitter. I'm just gonna rip them open. I don't even care. Doesn't have like a color name to them. And there's this glitter. So that's the collection. I don't know if it, ooh, this pink one. I don't know if it's limited edition or not. I wanted a gift set so I can get them all together. I've never gotten like a cool gift set like this. So it was affordable. Well, the whole thing was $78. But the two palette, I think the palettes are 18 each or something, then all the glitters. But that's a lot of colors and a lot of eyeshadows, so. Oh, this one's like an orange one. I'm trying to open them as quick as I can so I can end this video and stop boring you. But hopefully you're enjoying the cats in the background having playtime now that Mama's home. Here's like a gold, totally gold one. And this last one is, looks like a turquoise. So I'm off work for the next 3 days. Tomorrow I'm going to drive into Seattle and drop my truck off at my friend Blaine's house. Blaine is a singer for a band called The Accused. You can look them up. They've been around for a long time. And they are opening for Lamb of God, who I love, and Napalm Death, who I also love, in Spokane. So I'm going to go with them, and I think I'm doing merch or something. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later.